Good day. My name is Brian Smith, and I'm going to take you through WWI Flying Circus and a choice in a user interface between a ask to play and quick play. And so what I'm going to do is go over here to settings, and we're going to set things up here. So for this, I'm going to unselect here. So it's not going to be the quick play. So this is going to be the ask to play option first. And so here we're going to go to pass and play and contact, start the game. So here we are sitting in Baron von Red's cockpit. Baron von Red's going to do a slow maneuver, turning to the left, so he can face at Lord Olive, who's flying on the horizon over here. So Baron von Red's going to plot that. We're passing the device, so now we're going to pass it over to Lord Olive, who says, I have the device. And Lord Olive is going to do a similar maneuver, but flying to the right, so he can face Baron von Red there with a slow maneuver. Now, when Lord Olive presses this, now since this is a asynchronously plotted, but then simultaneously played game, now that the computer has both of the maneuvers available, you can see the computer can play now Lord Olive's turn 1, and this is the ask to play. So the computer is saying, hey, is it okay for me, Mr. Human, to play this turn? And the human would say, yes, you can play this turn. So here's Lord Olive taking his shot at Baron von Red at a distance there. So Lord Olive is going to plot his next turn and make a fatal mistake here, turning to the right, continue to turn to the right. Now we pass the device over to Baron von Red, who says, I have it. And then here you see Baron von Red, since this is ask to play, the computer is asking Baron von Red, is it okay to play? And Baron von Red says yes. So Baron von Red takes his shot and then is going to go into a fast maneuver going straight at, and here again, now we're asking to play. So you can see what's coming up here. The quick play is we're not going to have this extra button here. But here, this is the ask to play, and Baron von Red shoots down his arch enemy. Okay, so that was the ask to play. So I'm going to go into the settings, and I'm going to turn on quick play, and you can see how that behaves differently. And I want to know from you which you like best. So return, contact. So the same kind of thing. Baron von Red's going to make this left turn. Oops, going to slide that a little bit farther. Slow. And pass it over to Lord Olive. Lord Olive is going to make a similar kind of turn to the right. And notice, once I hit this, since this is the quick play, once I hit this, it just goes straight into the play because the phone is already in Lord Olive's hand. Well, again, Lord Olive is going to make this fatal mistake, pass it to Baron von Red, and notice right when Baron von Red says, I have it, it goes straight into play. And then Baron von Red's going to make his change to a straight fast and go straight at. And notice it plays right away again, rather than asking for the permission to play. So that's the difference between the ask to play and quick play. So again, I'd like your opinion on which is better, the ask to play where I throw up that play button, or the quick play where it just goes straight in and plays right when the computer has both of the maneuvers available for play. So, well, with that, thank you very much, and I will stop the recording.